What if I told you that drones are not just for filming, but are now tackling snow, pests, and even saving lives? Let's dive into how drones make a difference in our everyday lives. Firefighting. Fires can be dangerous and challenging to control, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Firefighting drones come to the rescue with thermal cameras and fire suppression systems. They provide real-time information on fire hotspots and can even help extinguish flames. Pest control. Meet drones equipped with sprayers. These drones can target specific areas and deliver pesticides where they're needed. Transporting solar panels. Solar energy is key to a sustainable future, and drones are lending a helping hand. They can transport solar panels to rooftops or remote locations, making the installation process quicker and easier. This is particularly useful in hard-to-reach places. Agriculture spraying. Farmers are embracing drones for better crop management. Drones equipped with spraying systems can fly over fields, applying fertilizers and pesticides exactly where they're needed. Building cleaning. Cleaning tall buildings is no easy feat, but drones are making it possible. With cleaning brushes and solutions, drones can wash windows and buildings safely and effectively. Drones are truly transforming the way we handle various tasks. Transporting high-voltage line material. Maintaining high-voltage power lines is crucial for electricity supply, and drones are making it easier. They can transport materials needed for power line maintenance. Transporting pipes. Construction projects often require moving heavy materials, and drones are stepping up to the task. They can transport pipes and other construction materials across places with ease. Clearing snow. On snowy days, you don't need shovels and plows anymore. Drones with snow-blowing attachments can do the job. They can quickly remove snow from cables, rooftops, and pathways. This innovation not only speeds up snow removal, but also makes it safer. Towing stuck vehicles. Getting stuck in mud or snow can be a real hassle, but drones are changing that. Equipped with towing capabilities, these drones can pull out stuck vehicles from difficult spots, deploying life buoys. When someone is in trouble in the water, every second counts. Drones equipped with life buoys can quickly deliver these critical safety devices to distressed swimmers or boaters. With their ability to cover large areas rapidly, drones can significantly improve rescue efforts. As technology advances, the potential uses for drones seem limitless. What other areas could drones revolutionize next? Share your thoughts in the comments below.